everyone, welcome to Maths IAC. Here's a very popular GCSE Biology exam question. Please pause the video and try this question. It's a 6-marker, so you need to have a minimum of 6 points, but think about as many points as you can come up with and write your answer. Then I will do my answer on the board. Then you can compare your points and award yourself and marks and see how many marks you deserve. Also, if you missed any points, you can quickly write them down. Pause the video and try this now. So let's first discuss about the effect of this. So a coronary artery, normally it is supposed to be, let's say if it is supposed to be like this, and then blood should be able to flow through this without any hindrance. So I can kind of show it like this. So there'll be no issue. However, when there are fatty deposits and then they have reduced the internal diameter, and what happens is the blood flow is significantly hindered. The blood flow is not enough. So because of the fatty deposit, the effective cross-sectional area has reduced. So this is what we call a partially blocked coronary artery. So the coronary arteries provide blood to the heart. So let's see what we can write for the first part of the answer. This is not the full answer, by the way. I'm going to come to that. When the coronary artery is blocked, it reduces the flow of blood to the heart. That will be 1 point. This can reduce the amount of oxygen and glucose provided to the heart. Those are 2 different points because there are 2 different substances we are talking about. It can reduce the amount of oxygen as well as glucose. So the heart muscles would struggle to produce enough energy by aerobic respiration because that requires oxygen. The heart might get energy by anaerobic respiration, which is the backup system of the body. However, that does not produce as much energy as aerobic respiration. So that leads to low energy compared to a healthy heart. So here are the next points you can say. Now, this affects the ability of the heart to pump blood around the body. And the muscle contractions can be weaker. The heart muscles will not contract with enough power, which means the heart struggles to do its job. This can result in tiredness and or breathlessness, even with moderate activity like going up a flight of stairs or something. Also, we can tell a little bit about the symptoms of this. So the buildup of lactic acid can cause muscle fatigue. That's one thing. And the person can get chest pain.